Hello and welcome back. In this tutorial, we will study functions in SQL. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, click on subscribe button here and click on bell icon so that you will notify as soon as we upload any video. We have two types of function in SQL. One is single row functions and the other is multiple row functions. Again, in single row functions, we have character functions, number functions, date functions, conversion function and general functions. We are going to start with character functions. In character functions, we have case manipulation function and character manipulation function. In case manipulation function, we have lower, upper in INITCAP. For example, select first name, last name from employees. We got here the first name and last name from employees table. For example, if we have a condition here where last name equal to Orman, as you can see here we have a last name by the name of Orman, and if we use that last name here in a condition and if we press enter, we'll see the result no row selected. Why? Because there's difference in spelling. Here the first character of Orman is in lowercase and here the first character is in uppercase, so we should convert this last name to lowercase to be equal to the right hand side character. So how we can do that? We can use the lower function and include that last name in parentheses. So now the last name characters which we can see here, these character will be converted to lowercase and then it will be compared using the equal sign with the character which are here placed on the right hand side. So now if we hit enter, we will see the result. We got the first name and last name from employees table based on this condition. So now if we use U in capital letters and then hit enter, again we will not see any result. Why? Because we have converted this part to lowercase and in this part we have one character or the first character in uppercase. What we can do now, we can use the INITCAP function. So the first character of last name will be capitalized and then if we compare that with this part, and then we'll see the result as you can see here. Again, if we have this name in capital letters and we hit enter, we will not see the result because this part is in capital letters and this part is in INITCAP. Only the first character is capitalized. What we can do now, we can use the upper functions to convert last name into uppercase and then compare it with the right hand side character, and then if we hit enter, we'll see the result here. In character manipulation function, the first function is CONCAT functions. The CONCAT function is used to concatenate two strings. For example, select first name, last name from employees. And now if you want to concatenate the first name with last name, we can use the CONCAT functions. CONCAT first name with last name, include them in parentheses and hit enter. So here the first name with last name is concatenated. The second character manipulation function is substring. If you want to have a substring of a string, then you can use a substring function. For example, if you want to display the first three characters of last name, then you can use the substring function. Last name, from where you want to display, from first character. How many characters you want to display? 3 characters, and then hit enter. So here you can see that from last name you have displayed only 3 characters of it, started from first. And then we have the length function. For example, if you want to display the length of a last name, how many characters are there in last name, you can use the length function and then the last name. So here you will see the number of characters in last name. So here you can see that there are 5 characters and the number are displayed here. Here 6 characters and the numbers are displayed here. How many characters here? 7. So here the 7. And the next function is INSTR. What INSTR do? INSTR shows us in which particular position a character is inserted to the string. For example, in string in last name, if you want to display the position of particular character in last name, you can use the INSTR function and then which character you want to display his position. For example, W. Here you can see that last name is W in it, so here the position is 1. So here also the W is inserted in this string at first position, and wherever you don't have the W, you will get 0. The next character manipulation function are LPAD and RPAD. LPAD stands for left padding and RPAD stands for right padding. For example, if you want to left pad the salary and give it a 10 character space, whatever the salary is, put that numbers on the right hand side and fill the left hand side with the character asterisk. As you can see here, we have given the salary column 10 character space and display whatever the salary is and fill the left hand side with asterisk symbol. The same you can use with RPAD. So here on the left hand side, whatever the salary is, that will be displayed as you have used here the right padding, so the right hand side will be filled with star symbol. The next character manipulation function is the trim function. The trim function trim character from a string. You can see here in this example, first name, last name from employees. For example, if you want to trim the first character or the W character from last name, here you can see the result. What was the query? Trim W character from which string? From last name string. So here in this last name we have the W at first character, it's trim here. Here we have W, it's trim. The result is here. So here we have the W character, it is trim from here, and we have the result here. So here we reached to the end of this tutorial. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next one.